Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sudoku well. First, let's cover the fundamental rules. The goal is to fill a 9 by 9 grid with digits so that each column, each row, and each of the 9 3 by 3 subgrids contains all of the digits from 1 to 9. No digit can be repeated within any single row, column, or 3 by 3 box. It's a logic-based number placement puzzle. Once you understand the rules, the easiest method is to look for single candidates. Scan each row, column, and 3 by 3 box. If you find a cell where, based on the existing numbers in its row, column, and box, only one specific digit can possibly fit, then that's a single candidate. Fill it in immediately. This will open up new possibilities. Moving beyond simple single candidates, let's explore hidden singles. A hidden single occurs when a specific digit can only be placed in one particular cell within a given row, column, or 3 by 3 box, even if that cell has other potential candidates. By carefully examining each group for these unique placements, you can uncover more challenging numbers and progress further in the game. To truly master Sudoku, consistent practice is key. Start with easy puzzles and gradually move to more difficult ones. Always use a pencil and eraser, especially when you're just starting, to mark down potential candidates and correct mistakes without frustration. Remember, patience and logical deduction are your best tools. Also, for a great reading experience, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.